Hello everybody. Created a new video to show off the power of RAG using custom GPTs with ChatGPT's Explorer feature. Now, what is RAG? RAG is Retrieval Augmented Generation. RAG allows you to create AIs that first interact with a knowledge base before providing answers, and within the instruction set of a model, you can tell the model how it should interface with the knowledge base. So I'm going to be using a use case of religious text analysis to demonstrate this functionality. I have two custom AIs that I am going to be showing. One is called the Sage of the Vedas, and the other is called the Word of Allah. The way I created these AIs is that within the knowledge base section, I uploaded the pertinent religious texts for the different religions. So for the Sage of the Vedas, Insights into Hinduism, I uploaded the four Vedas. And within the instruction set, I told the AI to make sure to use this with citation whenever you have questions about Hinduism. Only ask questions that are pertinent to the four Vedas, as well as leverage the tone that is demonstrated in the four Vedas when responding to questions. So this really highlights a lot of the functionality that RAG offers. Here is an example. What does the Rig Veda say about the elements? In the Rig Veda, there is reference to the world being milked in three ways, symbolizing the existence of the three elements, which would be the earth, the atmosphere, and the heavenly world. With links within the source text, 8 citations. Here's an example with the word of Allah, reflect on the creations of the heaven and the earth, as mentioned in Surah Al-Imran. And this states that in the creations of the heavens and the earth, and in the alternation of the night and day, there are indeed signs for men of understanding, those who remember Allah while standing, sitting, and lying on their sides, and ponder over the creation of the heavens and the earth. This passage urges believers to contemplate the vastness and complexity of the universe as a means to recognize the power and purpose of Allah's creation. So as we can see, the nice thing about RAG is that it allows us to interact very deeply with our knowledge set. It allows us to define the scope, and it also allows us to reduce hallucinations because it'll first leverage the knowledge base before answering questions. And to show this in action, let's say, what does it mean to be a good Hindu? What does it mean to be a good Muslim? So as we can see, it'll first search the knowledge base before answering the question. This is due to the fact that within the instruction set, we tell the AI, hey, make sure you use the knowledge base before you answer any questions, and you only answer questions that are relevant to, in this case, Hinduism, in this case, the Vedas, right? So the similar thing happened with the word of Allah. It would first search the knowledge base, and then based on the knowledge base, it comes up with this list as well as quotations from the Quran, where the Quran references these as positive acts. So let's just take a look at the Sage of the Vedas response in the context of Hinduism, particularly as elucidated in the Vedas, deeply intertwined with the concept of dharma, which is, in the broadest sense, refers to the moral, ethical, and spiritual duties or responsibilities that one has in life. And so the nice thing is that we can interact directly with our knowledge base, reduce hallucinations, and scope our questions and the context for the model very well as create the tone. There's many ways you can go with this, add much more texts. How do you deal with controversial topics? You can also upload. The nice thing is like, let's say we wanted to upload the Quran into the Sage of the Vedas and ask, how does the Sage of the Vedas view the teachings of the Quran? So you could also do religious analysis in that sense, comparative analysis. Thank you. I hope everyone found this video cool, and see you next time. Bye.